Now let us consider example from matrix. That means given two natural number, that is A is what? 12. B is what? That is 18. Then which one of the following is their least common multiple ይላል። የትኛው ነው የሁለቱ least common multiple የሚሆነው ነው። ስለዚህ ምን እናደርጋለን? As we did before እንደሰራ ነው we take what? Take the factor of what? 12. 12ን prime factorization express እናደርገው ምን ሆነ? To the power of 2 times what? 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Similarly 18 factorize ስናደርግ 80 means what? Which is equals 2 times what? 3 the power of what? 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ? That means the greatest common factor similarly ብንወስድ የተጠየቅነው LCM ነው። Let's consider the greatest common factor of what? 12 and 18ም አብረን እንስራ which is equal to what? Common for both. ይሄ እዚህ ጋር ምን አለ? to the power of 2 አለ፣ እዚህ ጋር 2 አለ። የጋራ መሆን የሚችለው ምንድነው? less power ያለው that is what? 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ምን አለ? 3 አለ፣ እዚህ ጋር 3 the power of 2 አለ። ስለዚህ less power ያለው የቱ ነው? 3 ብቻ ስለሚሆን times 3 እንላለን which is equal to what? 6 ይሆናል ማለት that is 6. The least common multiple of what? This is 16 and 80 ስንመጣ ምን ይሆናል? Which is equal to the power of 2 here what? This is to the power of 1. You take what? ምን ብለናል? ከፍተኛ ፓወር ያለውን ነው መቼ? ለሊስት ኮመን መልቲፕል ለማግኘት this is to the power of 2 ይሆናል times እዚህ ጋር 3 አለ፣ እዚህ ጋር 3 the power of 2 አለ። ስለዚህ ሃየር ፓወር ያለው የትኛው ነው? 3 the power of 2 ስለሆነ ሃየር ኤክስፖነንት ወይም ፓወር ያለው 3 the power of 2 እንወስዳለን here what? Which is equal to the power of 2 is what? 4. 3 the power of 2 is what? 9. 4 times 9 is what? That is 36. The answer for this one is 36. From the given choice, the choice is what? C ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በዛ አይነት መንገድ least common multiple, greatest common factor የመሳሰሉትን ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። The other one, it says what? The greatest common factor and the least common multiple of two numbers are what? 12 and 36. የተሰጠን ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር? Greatest common factor እና greatest common factor of what? The two numbers AB is equal to what? 12 ተሰጥቶናል። Then LCM of what? This is AB is equal to what? That is 336 ተሰጥቷል ማለት ነው respectively. If one of the number is what? 84. Then which one of the following is the other number? ስለዚህ ከA እና ከB አንዱ ተሰጥቶናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ A maybe 84 ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም B 84 ሊሆን ይችላል። ስለዚህ if one number is what given, let's say this is A 84. A ካል ምን እንፈልጋለን ማለት ነው? B እንፈልጋለን ማለት ነው። B ለማግኘት ምን እናውቃለን? We said what? A times B is equals what? The greatest common factor of what? AB times what? The least common multiple of what? AB የሁለት ነምበሮች ብዛት ማን ነው? Product of the two number is equals what? The product of what? The greatest common factor and their LCM ይሆናል ብለን አይተናል። For any two natural numbers, the product of them is equals what? The product of what? The greatest common factor and their LCM ብለናል። ወይም AB is equals what? The greatest common factor of what? AB A, B times what? The LCM of what? A, B ይሆናል ብለናል። So this is equals what? 84 is equivalent to B, sorry, this is 84B is equal to what? Which is equal to greatest common factor is what? 12 times LCM is what? That is 336. ስለዚህ B ለማግኘት ምን እናደርጋለን? divide by what? 84 divide this one by 84. This is B is equal to በ12 ለ12 ስንት ነው? 1 ነው። ስለዚህ 84 ሲካፈል ለ12 ምን ይሆናል? 7 ይሆናል ማለት this is 7. ስለዚህ 336 ሲካፈል ለ7 እናደርጋለን ማለት that means 336 ሲካፈል 47 33. How many times? That means what? How much? It has what? That is 4. 4 times 7 is what? That is 28. So 13 minus 8 is what? That is 5. 5 then take 6. 56 divided by 7 is what? That is 8 is. This is equal to what? 56. So it is 0. B is equal to 48 ይሆናል ማለት the answer for this one is what? 48. ስለዚህ 48 የሚለውን ቾይስ እንወጣለን that is D ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በተመሳሳይ ሌሎችን ፕሮብሌሞች አፒር ቢያደርጉ በዚህ መሰረት መስራት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። What the next one? Which one of the following is what? Common multiple of what? የ324 እና የ1152 common multiple የሆነው የትኛው ነው ይላል። ስለዚህ ይሄን ለማወቅ ምን እናደርጋለን? factorize first. We will try to factorize them. factorize ስናደርግ 324 ማለት በ2 ስንት ይሆናል? that is 1 6 and 2 ይሆናል። ማካፈል ነው 324 ሲካፈል ለ2 ማለት ነው። then divide this by what? 2. ይሄን በ2 ስናካፈል ምን ይሆናል? 81 ይሆናል። የነንም በ3 ነው ማካፈል 81 ለ3 ነው የሚካፈለው divide by 3 which is equal to what 27 this divide by 3 which is what 9 this divide by 3 what this is 3 so we can express as a product of what prime numbers which is equal to the power of 2 times what 3 the power of what 4 በዛ አይነት መንገድ ገለጽ ነው ማለት ነው similarly for 1152 again divide by this by 2 ከ11 ስንወስድ ምን ይሆናል 5 that is 10 15 that is what 7 14 ይሆናል then it is what 6 ይሆናል ማለት 12 ሲካፈል ለ2 6 ይሆናል then divide this by what 2 ስለዚህ ምን ይሆናል 2 times 2 4 5 minus 4 ምን ይሆናል 1 ስለሚሆን 17 ሲካፈል ለ2 ስንት ይሆናል 8 16 ሲካፈል ለ2 that is 8 288 ይሆናል ማለት again divide by 2 በሁለት ስናካፍል ምን ይሆናል this is what 144 አሁንም ይሄንን በሁለት ስናካፍል ምን ይሆናል 72 አሁንም divide by 2 this one is what 36 again divide by 2 this is what 18 yes again divide by 2 which is what 9 again divide by 3 and 3 ለምን prime factorize እናደርጋለን ይሄ ማለት ነው how many times 2 appear ስንት ጊዜ አለ 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 yes it is 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 no 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 ስለሆነ which is equal to what to the power of 7 times what about 3 appears what twice so this is 3 the power of 2 ይሄ ይሆናል ማለት ነው ስለዚህ የምንፈልገው ምንድነው common multiple ስለሆነ ይተባል ነው common multiple ስለሆነ ስለዚህ መሆን የሚችለው ምንድነው the multiple of what their least common multiple ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው so we take what the LCM of what this is 324 comma what 1152 እንፈልጋለን which is equivalent to what which is equivalent to here is to the power of 2 here is what to the power of 7 which one is common for both that is to the power of 7 is what the higher exponent LCM ስለሆነ higher exponent ያለውን እንወስዳለን that is to the power of 7 ይሆናል ማለት times here we have 3 is the power of 4 here is what 3 square which one is higher exponent that is 4 is higher than 2 so we take what 3 is the power of what 4 እንወስዳለን ማለት here we have ይሄ ይሆናል ማለት ይሄ ማለት ምን ይሆናል this is what 3 is the power of 4 means what that is 81 ይሆናል times 2 the power of 7 means what 2 the power of 5 times what 2 the power of 2 ማለት ነው አይደል ለምን 2 the power of 5 ማለት that is 32 32 ሲባዛ በ4 ማለት ነው በ4 ምን ይሆናል that is 8 yes that is 128 this is 128 ስለዚህ የዚህን ፕሮዳክት ስንወስድ ምን ይሆናል 128 times what this is 81 which is equal to what 8 which is 2 1 times 1 that is 1 8 times 8 is what that is 64 you have 6 2 times 8 is what 16 we have 6 that is 22 8 times 1 is what 8 we have 2 that is 10 take the sum which is equal to 8 this is 6 here is 3 here is 0 here is what 1 this is the LCM of them if you find this one you will try to find this one that is 10368 is there any no so find the multiple of this one ስለዚህ የዚህን multiple ይሄ ከሌለ least common multiple ከሌለ ምን እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው የዚህን multiple እንፈልጋለን በ2 በ3 እያባዛ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ይሄን በ2 ስናባዛ ምን ይሆናል what the value for this one እዚህ ጋር ስንመጣ let's consider this ይሄን ቁጥር በ2 በ3 እያባዛን እንፈልጋለን ማለት ነው ሌሎቹ ምን ይሆናል multiply this by 2 that means 10368 times what by 2 which is equal to what 2 times 8 is what that is 16 you have 1 2 times 6 is what 12 you have 1 what that is what 13 2 times 3 is what 6 here is what 7 yes 2 times 0 that is 0 2 times 1 2 ስለዚህ ሁለተኛው ሆነ 20736 ወይም 20736 ካለ እንመርጣለን yes here we have ሌሎችም ይሄንን በ2 በ3 እያባዛን የምናገኛቸው በሙሉ ምን ይሆናሉ ማለት ነው common multiple ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ ማለት ነው so the choice is what D ነው ማለት ነው ስለዚህ least common multiple ሳይሆን እዚህ ጋር ያለን ምርጫ ማን ነው ማለት ነው የleast common multiple ናቸው ማለት ነው የትንሹ የጋራ ብዜታቸው multiples ናቸው ማለት ነው እዚህ ላይ የተሰጠን so we can find like this በዚህ መሰረት ሌሎችንም መስራት እንችላለን ማለት ነው